Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily edit a friend's nickname in Messenger chat on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the Messenger icon. Step 3. Select the desired chat. Step 4. Locate the message you want to edit and click on the 3 dots next to it. Step 5. Open chat settings by clicking on your friend's name. Step 6. Look for the nickname option. Step 7. Click on the edit button next to your friend's name. Step 8. Enter the desired nickname for your friend. Step 9. Finally, click on the checkmark button. That's it. You have successfully edited your friend's nickname in Messenger chat on Facebook using your PC. It's a simple process that can help you personalize your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.